The diameter of Iranian optical telescope's main mirror is 340 centimeters, weighs about 4,000 kg, and consists of 120,000 mechanical and optical parts. In addition to the main mirror, this telescope is equipped with another mirror called the secondary mirror with a length of 60 centimeters, which makes it possible to observe celestial bodies with arc-second accuracy. Since researchers have used the latest technology to control the axis, primary and secondary mirror, the telescope structure has gained a weight of about 90 tons. Certainly, the primary scientific objectives of this project, including exploring the evolution of galaxy formation, star evolution, and hunting for exoplanets, have been well achieved. The project to build Iran's national telescope has begun with a few researchers despite dark endeavors to discourage the engineers. But in the end, we witnessed the birth of Iranian telescope, which today includes hundreds of scientists and students working on this project. It raised bright hopes for the promising Iranian astronomy. Iran's giant telescope, a scientific global project despite the ban. Not long ago, Iran revealed the first leader of the country's giant telescope as the country's largest national scientific project in the field of astronomy after 23 years of efforts made by the country's engineers and researchers. One of the most prominent characteristics of the new Iranian telescope is that it was able to start its work with high accuracy through only images of one of the galaxies from the beginning. The scientific magazine Science commented on this success and gave it the title Iranian World-Class Telescope, a success that even sanctions could not hinder. To comprehend how important Science magazine's reaction to the Iranian National Telescope is, it is enough to know that this telescope opened its dome on September 29 to observe space and took a picture of the planet 282 ARP the following night. An image recently captured by the Hubble telescope in a similar position and placed on the World News line as a unique achievement.